So what's going on, guys? It is Friday, September 1st, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm off today. Took my last vacation day left before it resets next week or a couple of weeks from now. Might as well make a 4-day weekend out of it, Labor Day weekend. Typically do it every year. Anyway, guys, I want to do a video real quick update on this giveaway / surprise, whatever you guys might think it is, from that reversing valve compressor video real quick. I filmed that video kind of with that intent in mind. While I was doing it, it kind of crossed my mind right in the middle. Decided I was going to go ahead and make a 2-part video. Do a little drawing, maybe something along those lines. Whoever guessed it right, was it the reversing valve or the compressor? I didn't want to make it too obvious which one it was. We've got an old Arco compressor. Well, it wasn't old, it's been in there for about 2 months, but it's one of those rebuilt, remanufactured compressors from these guys in Tennessee. The home warranty companies love those things for a scroll compressor because they get them for about probably $300 and saves them some money, gives the homeowner nothing but a headache. Another issue with having home warranties on your house, you take what they give you, unless you want to cash out, get your own guy, pay for everything yourself. But anyway, and then you got the issue with the reversing valve, been banged on a little bit. So is it the cheap remanufactured compressor? Is it a reversing valve? I don't know. I'm right most of the time. I do make mistakes and misdiagnose like everybody else, but the second video will give you the answer to that. And everybody that made the correct guess in the comments of video 1, put 20 on there. I may throw a few extra people in there, but that video is going to post probably, I haven't made up my mind, maybe tomorrow night, Saturday night, September 2nd, about 7 o'clock, between 7 and 8 o'clock. And then when you watch that video, you'll get the rest of the details on what I'm doing here, why I'm doing this, and just something that popped into my head. I tell you, I got to 10,000 subscribers. I thought that would take at least 2 years or a year and a half. I think I got to 1,000 sometime in June, and now I'm at 10,000. And thanks in part to a couple of other YouTubers that commented, reached out, gave me a shout out. One of those, Ted Cook, $100 bill Ted from Anti-DIY HVAC. He's dropped my name in a few videos, much appreciated. I like watching his stuff. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of just old school, down to earth, kind of like I am a little bit. You know, just get it done, figure it out, keep it simple, stupid. Don't let stuff. It's kind of the way he approaches everything. Don't get too overly technical. Sometimes you have to, the nature of this equipment, but just kind of keeps it simple. I enjoy his videos. Not to be confused with that other guy that uses DIY in his name and for home. You know, unless you're a homeowner and you want to learn how to get injured doing something, take some chances, some liability on some of his videos. They're just, you know, some of these things you just don't need to be telling homeowners to do. You know, especially getting a condensing unit up on the roof of the house with an extension ladder. You know, got some kind of hoist mechanism, and standing up there holding the ladder out like this and trying to get the unit up, and yeah, something mechanically fails, that cable breaks or something goes wrong and that rung on that ladder breaks. You know, you got a unit gonna fall 10-15 feet and get busted all to pieces. Maybe it falls on somebody's head, maybe it jerks you off the side of the house. I don't know. Some of his stuff's a little kooky. He's got a lot of subscribers. That means there's a lot of kooky people out there. But he just, somebody's probably already been shocked, electrocuted, or injured in some way or another from trying to be a DIY homeowner and do something themselves. Call the professionals. But anyway, thanks to Ted, some other guys that have reached out. Some of their guys have watched my videos and tuned in and subscribed. That drain line video that just threw everybody a freaking backflip, that one was funny. I enjoyed all the responses in that. But that got 3.5 million views. That is just a short. Maybe I got a good handful of subscribers from that as well. But anyway, the details will be in part 2 of the video, and the third video, the winter video, probably will go up maybe Monday night, and we'll do that. Be a good Labor Day gift for somebody on Labor Day, somebody hopefully that needs it. But whoever's name gets drawn, it's yours. Don't know what it's probably. Well, I'll go ahead and tell you what the prize is. It's gonna be this solder weld hat that I have absolutely no use for. This solder weld ink pen right here, and it's HVAC Shop Talk sticker, autographed by Zach Ciota himself, right there on the back. So, you know, that's worth what it costs. So anyway, very, very valuable autograph to have and a sticker. Nah, just joking with all that. It's gonna be a good prize. So hopefully whoever gets it will use it, does need it, and appreciate saving a little bit of money on something that is very high quality. It's something that I use. You've seen me use it in videos. Hope you enjoy it. But anyway, I just want to throw a short video out real quick just to let everybody know the kind of premise behind that video. Just figure out what you think it is. Some guy said something about why I didn't use my rare earth magnets when I was diagnosing the reversing valve. Well, by that kind of point in the video, I'd kind of determined what I was going to do, and you know, that would be one thing that would give away the answer, if it's the compressor or if it's the reversing valve. If I'd have put the magnets on there, I mean, the reversing valve wasn't shifting. Was it not shifting because I wasn't getting any compression from the compressor? Or was it not shifting because the cap tubes had been pinched shut on it and it wasn't getting a pressure change across those little tubes to push that reversing valve one way or the other? If I'd have put the magnets on there, you either seen it stuck in a mid somewhere position, or it would have been seen left all the way right. That would have been something that would have given the answer away. So still don't know what the problem was, whether my diagnosis fixed it. I called it the reversing valve, and if I'm wrong about something, I'll post it and put it up there, and you'll find out when you watch part 2. Was I right? Was I wrong? Were you right? Were you wrong? Anyway, just thought I'd do that to have a little fun with something. Anyway, part 2 video probably going to go up Saturday night, maybe Sunday night. I haven't made up my mind yet, but it'll go up definitely before Monday. Then Monday night we'll do the video for the winner of whatever it is that I'm going to give away. But anyway, guys, everybody that subscribed, I appreciate it. Didn't expect to get to 10,000. I mean, it's just something I'm having fun with. Just a hobby, something to do. And it's, you know, I've backed off. I used to post videos just about every day. Now just a couple or so a week, a couple of shorts. There's life outside of YouTube, so not going to be putting them up every single night. But anyway, guys, getting to 10,000 subscribers, that's pretty cool. See how far we can go with it. Appreciate everybody. Like I said, you can super thanks on the shorts and on the videos. Super thanks, $2, $5, $10, $20. Kind of support the channel. If things continue to grow well, we'll use that money to do some other giveaways, some other prizes. Try to figure out some other things to do to make things a little entertaining and worth your while watching it. Put that money to good use. I haven't made, you know, a couple of tanks of gas, I think, at this point off of these videos. So there's not a lot of money in YouTube unless you're just punching videos out left and right, and you've got a bunch of people sponsoring you and doing all that kind of stuff, and that's not coming my way. It's not something I'm, you know, if it happens, it happens. I'm not begging for it or asking for it. But for you guys that watch, if you want to leave a super thanks, a little donation to support the channel, may do memberships or something in the future, but anything's appreciated, and it'll go to good use. It's not going to be beer money or drug money. I promise you that. And it's not going to cigarettes because I quit smoking. I haven't had a cigarette since March. So anyway, guys, like, subscribe. Appreciate everybody that does. I'm getting ready to run in Lowe's. Decided I'm going to replace the kitchen faucet. It's the old standard type faucet, been there for a long time. Gonna get the tall one that comes down with the sprayer I can pull out with the hose and everything. Upgraded a little bit, and I got to get a rebuild kit for the toilet in the spare bathroom because it's leaking a little bit. So I keep the water turned off to it unless somebody's going to use it as far as the toilet goes. Anyway, got to go in there and get that stuff. Go back home, get that done, maybe cut some grass. You guys have a good Labor Day weekend. The weather here is great. Feels like a fall day. It's like 79 degrees outside. Humidity, dew point is like in the probably 40s. Outside it's dry, it's breezy. It feels like a nice fall day. Good break from the weather we've had. And then it's going to be in the 90s again next week. So enjoy it while you have it. Have a good holiday weekend. And like I said, Saturday or Sunday night, I'm going to post part 2 of that video. You'll find out what actually fixed the problem. And then whoever got those correct answers will be, your name's going to go in a hat, and we're going to draw for a giveaway on Monday night. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe. Stay safe at work, and enjoy your weekend. We'll find out who the winner is on Monday night. Stay tuned for part 2 of that video.